The kitchen is more than a space for cooking, it's where memories are made. Choosing the right cookware is vital to creating enjoyable, efficient, and healthy meals. This GiPP Pots and Pans Set Nonstick, a 10-piece kitchen cookware set with a stylish white granite finish. Engineered for modern kitchens, it's PFOS and PFOA-free, SGS approved, and designed for all stovetops, including induction. This cookware set combines aesthetics, performance, and functionality, offering a healthier, stress-free cooking experience. From quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners, the GiPP cookware ensures exceptional results every time. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore every detail of the GiPP Nonstick cookware set, from its standout features to real-world performance. Design and materials. The GiPP Pots and Pans set stands out with its elegant white granite coating, offering a sleek, modern look for your kitchen. Beyond its visual appeal, the granite coating is engineered for durability and high performance, boasting a 10x stronger nonstick feature compared to traditional coatings. Crafted from cast aluminum, this cookware heats evenly and quickly, making it a reliable choice for recipes that require precise temperature control. The stainless steel base ensures compatibility with all types of stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. This versatile design guarantees a seamless cooking experience no matter your setup. Each piece is thoughtfully designed for versatile cooking, from frying and sautéing to simmering and stewing. Performance and features. Nonstick excellence. The ultra-smooth, high-performance granite coating ensures a true nonstick surface. Cooking eggs, pancakes, or delicate fish fillets becomes effortless, with no sticking or tearing. Cleanup is equally simple. Just wipe it clean or rinse with water. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. Healthier cooking. The GiPP cookware is free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, ensuring toxin-free cooking. This makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious families. The nonstick coating also allows you to cook with minimal oil, promoting healthier meals. Fast and even heating. The cast aluminum construction, combined with a stainless steel base, ensures quick and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. This feature enhances cooking precision, making it easier to achieve perfect results with every meal. Stay cool handles. The ergonomic Stay Cool handles offer comfort and safety. They provide a firm grip and stay cool during cooking, minimizing the risk of burns. Wide stovetop compatibility. The cookware set is designed to perform on all stovetops, including induction, gas, ceramic, and electric. Whether you're boiling pasta or searing steak, this set adapts effortlessly to your kitchen needs. Ease of maintenance. The non-stick granite coating not only enhances cooking performance but also simplifies cleaning. Food residues slide off easily, reducing water usage and CO2 emissions compared to traditional cookware. Its dishwasher-safe design further streamlines your post-cooking routine. Pros of the GiPP Nonstick cookware set. Superior nonstick coating ensures effortless cooking and cleaning. Health-friendly. PFOS and PFOA-free for safe, toxin-free cooking. Versatility. Compatible with all stovetops and perfect for a wide range of recipes. Durable build. Cast aluminum construction for long-lasting performance. Stylish design. White granite finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Why choose the GiPP Pots and Pans Set Nonstick? The GiPP cookware set is ideal for anyone seeking stylish, high-performance, and health-friendly kitchen tools. Its exceptional non-stick performance, fast heating, and stovetop versatility make it a standout choice for home cooks of all skill levels. Customer reviews and feedback. Users rave about the GiPP cookware set for its elegant design and non-stick performance. One reviewer shared, "Cooking with these pans feels effortless. Eggs slide right off and cleanup is a breeze. Plus, they look amazing in my kitchen." Another noted, "I love how quickly the pans heat up. Perfect for busy mornings when I need to cook fast." Conclusion. This GiPP Pots and Pans Set Nonstick offers everything you could ask for in a modern cookware set. Safety, durability, style, and unmatched performance. Its granite coating ensures hassle-free cooking and cleaning, while the versatile design accommodates all stovetop types. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or starting fresh, this set promises to deliver on every front. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.